Welcome to this instructional program in which you will learn how to use and read a metric dial caliper with a range of 150 millimeters to an accuracy of 1/20th of a millimeter. It is suggested that you have a dial caliper in front of you as you watch this program. A typical dial caliper is made up of a main beam incorporating a fixed measuring jaw and a cursor which slides along the main beam. The cursor incorporates the moving measuring jaws, a dial gauge, a thumb wheel, and a cursor lock screw. The purpose of the instrument is to assess external dimensions, internal dimensions, depth dimensions, and groove dimensions, to mention its main functions. When moving the cursor, first make sure that the cursor lock screw is loosened. Then rotate the thumb wheel against the main beam using your thumb. Care must be taken not to apply too much force on the thumb screw, as the internal gears in the dial gauge could jump and give wrong readings. To assess an external dimension, open the jaws until they fit over the object. Then gently close them until they contact the surfaces. To measure an internal dimension, close the jaws until the internal measuring jaws fit inside. Keep the instrument square to the object and move the cursor until the jaws contact the inner surfaces. When measuring round internal surfaces, move the caliper gently from side to side as you open the jaws. This will ensure that the maximum diameter is gauged. To measure a depth, place the beam end squarely onto the upper surface, and then move the cursor down the beam until the depth rod just contacts the ledge or shoulder. Place the notch side of the depth rod toward the inside edge of the work. This will ensure that the rod will not contact a radius on the ledge, resulting in an incorrect reading. After the pause, you will learn how to read the instrument. However, we suggest you first attempt exercise number 1 in your workbook.